I am here in the beautiful city of Rossville with one of our sellers by the name of Starla, and we are here behind her home that we just recently purchased. And we wanted to take a quick minute to have Starla share her experience with you guys. Starla found us online, she reached out to us, and she had a home that she wanted to sell, and more importantly, just move on to the next chapter of her life. If you don't mind, why don't you share with people, I guess, what was the biggest thing that we were able to help you with in regards to this home?
Closing early, because I was already at the point that foreclosure could have started, and actually she wanted to start foreclosure, and y'all stopped it by assuring her that it would close in 3 weeks, and it did.
Yeah, 100%.
So it stopped foreclosure, and I was able to actually come out on top and not lose everything.
Yeah, and we're so glad to be here to be able to help you as well, Starla. What would you say is something that you liked in regards to working with us?
Y'all kept me informed of what was going on and didn't wait till the last minute to tell me everything, so I knew ahead of time of when I needed to be out, and even you offered to help me move. So it was a pretty great experience.
And it was a great experience working with you. Would you refer us to family and friends who maybe have a property or a similar situation that they need to get out of?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.